Welcome to the third lesson of preposition. A preposition is a word used before a noun or pronoun to show relation between other nouns or pronouns of the sentence. We have studied about the kinds of preposition. Here, simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, phrase, phrasal preposition and participial preposition. Simple preposition at, by, for, from. Double preposition into, onto, from, among, etc. Compound across, about, amidst. Phrasal where there will be a phrase according to, along with, because of, by means of. These phrasal prepositions are very important one. Then participial preposition which ends with ing form of the verb. Now we are going to learn today relation expressed by prepositions. The first one, A part, we are going to study about relationship in space, position or direction. Examples you see here, there are 10 examples. The child ran across the road. So across is the preposition here. Across use we have studied that from one side to another side something is going. So that here we use across. Next one you see that the postman stood before the door. Before is the preposition here. The lady stood behind the curtain. The sun is shining in the sky. She came from her village. He went towards the river. The lion jumped into the river. I am going to my house. He climbed up the tree and the cat sat under the table. These already we have studied the use of these prepositions in the previous lesson. So let me go ahead. The next one is relationship in time. The prepositions which show time. He came at 10. There are 7 days in a week. We will learn preposition before Sunday. Before. The train is running behind the time. He will be here on Monday. It's 5 to 8. It means here it's 5 to 8. It means 7:55. 7:55 means 5 minutes are left to 8. If you say 5 past 8, it means 8:05 means 8 after 8 am or pm 5 minutes more. So this way use to and past. Next one you can see here that she was careless throughout the year, whole year. We will finish all works by within a month. I'll tell more further about that in and within, what is the difference in the next slides. I have been suffering from hay fever since Sunday. He did nothing during the year. So these are the prepositions showing time. Next one you see that C, that is about relationship showing agency or instrumentality. Agency means what is the medium, what is the agent of doing something, and instrumentally. Instruments means with the help of instrument. He went to Delhi by car, that is the agent. Means also. The servant cut his finger with knives, that is instrumental. The house was destroyed by fire, agent. I heard this through a friend of mine, that is agent. He sold his house at a auction, so that is also a kind of agent. It means the medium, how something happened. So this way we use. Now one thing you have to remember here, when we talk about instrument, then we use with, and if you talk about as a agent by source, then we use by. Next slide you see that relationship showing manners, the way of doing something. I have learned this lesson by heart. The soldiers or the soldier fought with courage. You have to practice these all the words by reading again and again. The team has won with ease. He solved the problem without any difficulty. Next one you see that relationship showing reason or purpose. He died of cholera. I did it for you. He is suffering from fever. The patient is shivering with fever. And this is a right coaching for learning English. So this way we use preposition which shows reason or purpose. Next one you see Next one is relationship showing measure, standard, rate or value. This one you have to learn by heart. He sold apples at 60 rupees a kilo. So here for rate we use at. Cloth is sold by meter. When we talk about meter, then by. Ram is taller than Tom by 2 inches. Here we are talking about a comparison. It is 7 by my watch. This one is very useful. It is asked in competitive exam that it should be in my watch or by my watch or with my watch. This way it is asked, but correct answer is by my watch. Relationship showing source, origin or reference. Light comes from the sun. This is a question from Priya, and these lines are taken from lesson Daffodils. So this way we talk about relation showing source, origin or reference. Next one. Now here I am going to explain a little bit more this one, that whatever we have studied earlier, these use are comparison of all that one. For example, if I talk about at and in, so at is used if we talk about time, so it is used for point of time, like at 6, at 7, at 8. So this am, pm, it is 8, so at. But if we talk about period of time, then we use in, like in 1 hour, in 2 hour, in 3 hour, in 4 hour, this way. But if you are talking about here the place, so for a small city, if a small city is mentioned under a big city, then we use at, and for big city in. For example, you are living in Nehru Nagar in Bhopal, so you will say that I live at Nehru Nagar in Bhopal, because Bhopal is here the bigger one, and under the Bhopal Nehru Nagar comes. So for smaller we use at, and for bigger we use in, but both are used in one sentence then, otherwise we use in. Next one, you can see the example here. I came here at 10 o'clock. I will leave you in a few days. We live in India. He lives at a small village. It is a small place. I live in Bhopal at Nehru Nagar. This way we use. Next one, you see that here the use of by and with already we have studied. By shows agent. It is used as an agent, and with shows as an instrument. So the child was bitten by a snake. This letter is written by Ruchi. So these are agent, and Suman writes with a blue and black pen, that is the instrument. Ajay cut an apple with a knife, that is also instrument. Next one, you see that before and within. Before and within. It is used for point of time. Before means earlier than point of time. Before Monday, before January, before 2005, before 6 o'clock, before 7 o'clock. So this way we use before. But within is used period of time, like from here to here, and any time here. If something is happening here, within means during this time, that will be known as within. Within here to here. Examples, you see that she will come back before 8 o'clock. Do it before March. She will come back within a month. Within a month means months is starting from here and ending here. So within a month is during these days that person can come. The monsoon will reach Bhopal within a week. Within a week means the duration is 1 week, within 7 days. Beside and besides, these are commonly used. Beside is a preposition, and here besides, comparing here, beside is used by the side of, and besides is used as in addition to, means one extra, apart from something. Leena was sitting beside Suman, means nearby, next to. I saw beautiful flowers growing beside the lake, means next to the lake or beside the lake. Surekha gulped 2, that is about sweet, besides 2 gulab jamun. So here you can see that besides, apart from this, she ate another. I bought 2 jeans besides shirts, means apart from shirt I purchased 2 jeans. So this way we use besides and beside. Remember that beside for next to, and besides means addition to, extra, one extra. Next one, between and among. That is also very common one. Everyone knows this one because mostly it is used. Between is used for two and among is used for more than two. Divide the sweets between Mohini and Ranu. So here two persons. Distribute these sweets among these three boys. So more than two, then among. Ruchi was sitting between Ranu and Suman. So here one person, here another person, and in the between something is there, then between. The toffee was distributed among 12 students. So this way we use between and among. Next one is for, since and from. So for, since, many times we have discussed, for is used for indefinite time or period of time, and since is used for definite time, means point of time. From is used for point of time, but it shows beginning of a action, beginning of something, like from Monday to Friday, from January to Feb. In this way, from here to there, it is used for beginning to end, but for and since is used for period of time for and for point of time since. Point means name of the time should be there, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, Monday, January, or 2005. This way it should be mentioned, then it is since, otherwise for. We have been studying for 3 months, so 3 months are there, but not name is mentioned. If you are saying that from here to here, then from, or name of particular month will be there, then since will be there. It has been raining since morning. I have told you that morning, evening, afternoon we use since. School starts from 7 o'clock. So here beginning point is showing. Some special uses of preposition in already we have studied, but even then, that's why I am saying special means different uses are there here. You see, yes, in, after. It is used for period of time, in future, and after is used for past. It is in the sense of tense. So in is used for future time and after is used for past time. You can see that he will return in a month and he came after a week. So this is showing the past and it is showing that this activity will take place. Next one, you see in, among. Among already you have studied, but in you see that it is used for collective singular noun and among is used for plural noun. He is in army. You are in a good company. So these army and company is a collective noun. If you have studied about nouns, it is collective noun. I am working among good people. So here among is talking about common plural noun. I was sitting among good teachers. So this way we use in and among in the sense of noun. Next one, in and into. This one also we have studied that in shows stability and into shows motion. So if something is there already, then it is in, but you saw the entering here, then it is into. Motion means already motion means movement and stability means stable there. So you can see that he lives in Nehru Nagar, it is stable there. He was sitting in a room, means when you saw he was there. He went into the room, it means you saw that he was going there. Ajay jumped into the river, it means you saw jumping. He was not already in the river, he was jumping there. Next you see that here in, on, to. In, on, to. In is used for under, border. On is used for border, on the border, and to is used for out of border. So you remember that suppose this is the border of a particular area, this is a border. So here in, it means under the border, on means exact on the border, and to, it means out of border. This way we use. Bhopal is in the middle of India, it is talking about in, and Srinagar is on the border of Kashmir. So here we are talking about on, and the Himalayas lie to the north of India, means out of India. Next one, in, within. Again in, within has come. It shows the end of time. In, so if suppose you are saying that I will come in a month, so you are not going to come here, you are going to come here once it will be completed in. But if you are saying it shows before end of time, means you are saying I will come within a month, it means any time during a month you can come here, anywhere. So within, you might have understood, within means any time within a month, and in means at the end of the month. Next one you see on and over. It shows contact, surface contact, and it doesn't show contact. Over means, see, suppose something is here, you can see here table is there, so contact is there, then it is on, and if it is not touching, then it is over. Next one is here on upon. Again you have to understand that on shows touch of surface and upon shows movement above something, movement not touching particular thing, it shows motion from upside. On shows stability. The cat is on the table, it means sitting. He is sitting on the floor, but the cat jumped upon the table, it means did not touch the table, but over the table it jumped. The tiger sprang upon the cow, it means did not touch up the cow. But if you are saying onto the cow, onto, it means on, exactly on the cow. Next one, correct use of some prepositions. Here I am going to read 2 to 3 sentences. It is many, there are many here, and it is taking long time, so let's go ahead fast. Into is used for showing movement. He jumped into the well. Drop this check into the check box. Next one you see that to, it shows position, movement. He has gone to the market, joining the place. I was appointed to the post. You didn't invite him to dinner. He lives close to my house. You have to practice all these sentences. You have to read one by one thoroughly, because it's very important one. These are all chosen one, so you have to learn all that one. Next one you see that in, the teacher is in class. They are successful in capturing the culprit. He failed in English last year. Here if you are talking about subject, then we use in, and if you are talking about language, then we use at. Next one you see of, he is blind of one eye. I am tired of this work. I warned him of the danger. He has no chance of success. Next one with, I am very angry with you. You find fault with everything. He is ill with fever, and the teacher beat him with the stick. Next one from, he bought a book from the market. The apple fell from the tree. The robber escaped from the prison. Next one by, the rat was killed by a cat. He went to Delhi by morning train. I will finish this work by Tuesday. At, he laughed at him. I was surprised at your conduct. Here it is your conduct. He is at the top of the class. For, this book is for you. He worked hard for earning money. The traveler is ready for journey, and there is no remedy for this. Next one is, he is sitting on the floor. The book is on the table. He has cap on his head. His policy is based on justice. Upon, it shows the motion. The dog sprang upon the table. The tiger sprang upon the cow. Success depends upon your hard work. He acted upon my suggestion. Over, over shows upper than something. The umbrella was over his head. The plane flew just over the tree. He quarreled with me over a petty amount. He has lost control over his horse. Against, the king fought bravely against his enemies. You are against me. He has no grudge against me. Police charged 500 against me. These are the exercise which you have to practice, and in next video I'll give the answer of all these 16 exercise. Here it has been given, so you have to practice this one. It's very easy one, and easily you can do that. Answers are all given, means the slides which I have taught, answers are there only. You have to do this one, and I'll send the answer just after completion of this lesson. Thank you for watching this, and be safe and keep others safe. Eat healthy food and keep your surrounding neat and clean. Thank you.